As we are taking you into a brand new week, generally quiet conditions as we're going throughout the rest of a Monday, getting into your early Tuesday. I think the big topic of discussion, at least for us tonight, is still going to be some colder temperatures. Let's run you through the model as we're going later into the evening. There it is closer to midnight. Notice how we're still mostly dry out there and mostly clear to just a few clouds out and about. So temperatures, especially farther inland, plenty of 30s, even areas near Grayling, Roscommon, the Osceola Valley, not going to be out of the question to track a few upper 20s as we go out the door for tomorrow. Also going to have a little bit of patchy fog in a few low-lying areas. I think that's going to be the worst of it as we're getting you out the door for tomorrow. Generally dry day for your Tuesday. Still a good mix of clouds and sun. Winds are still going to be a little bit breezy coming in from the southeast as we go right there throughout your Tuesday afternoon, getting into the evening. But anything outdoors, traveling, should be looking pretty good across northern Michigan. And even still, we're keeping it dry as we're going late Tuesday night. Even getting you right there into the day on Wednesday. We're really not tracking any chances for some rain until we're getting later into the week. Unfortunately, not going to be the best timing for Halloween right there on Friday, getting into the first day of November, if you can believe we're already there. But that's going to be the next appreciable chance we'll keep an eye on for you for some rain as we are rounding out this week. Otherwise, we're keeping an eye on the tropics. A very strong Hurricane Melissa, Category 5 storm just to the south of Jamaica. Winds as of right now, 175 miles per hour. Unfortunately, looking to make landfall into the island of Jamaica by tomorrow morning. Also going to be feeling several impacts from the Dominican Republic, Haiti, the eastern portions of Cuba, and then eventually some of the Bahama Islands going later into the week. So we'll keep you posted on this storm as we go throughout the next few days. Significant rainfall and probably lots of landslides, unfortunately, for the island into the next few. Let's get your live weather stations out there right now. Cadillac holding on to 50 degrees. There it is in Manistee right now. Some mid-50s at this hour. Current temperature sitting right there at 54. Here's where you'll go past midnight tonight. Another chilly overnight period. Plenty of 30s. Still could have a few upper 20s as you're going a little bit farther inland. Areas right there near Grayling starting off your Tuesday morning. Eastern upper tip of the mid temperatures. It's going to be a lot of 50s as we go throughout the day tomorrow. Low to mid-50s, eastern upper tip of the Mitt, probably a few more clouds in the mix. And even as we take you right there south of the Mackinac Bridge, western lower, still your fair share of some mid-50s with some more sunshine as we go right there into your Tuesday afternoon. Winds coming off of Lake Huron could induce a few more lake effect clouds getting into the day here for the sunrise side. Low to mid-50s for your Tuesday. Last but not least, we'll take you into some of our central counties where the temperatures are still looking to be right there into the mid-50s, an east wind at about 5 to 15. And still your fair share of some sunshine into your Tuesday afternoon. There you go into the next 7 days, generally dry up until about Thursday. We'll watch Halloween, a little more unsettled for your weekend, and there could even be, Adam, a few wet flakes by next Monday.